How to change language in KineMaster. As of now, KineMaster does not provide an option to change the app's language. So language is usually determined by your device system language. So in order to change the language in KineMaster, you need to go ahead and open up the settings app. So for now, let me just go to the settings app. Go to settings app and tap on settings and scroll down, tap on general. Here you'll need to find language and region. Scroll down and tap on language and region. Now from here, tap on add language. Scroll down from the list and change the language to whichever you prefer. Now once you change the device language, the setting change will also apply to KineMaster. It's the only way you can change your language in KineMaster. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you never miss another upcoming upload. Thank you for watching.